Hello, today I'm going to show you how to repair your charging cable when that sort of external casing that covers the wires starts to perish and break away. So to do that then, I'm just going to use a couple of these shrink tubes. And in this packet there's all different sizes, so I've actually already chosen a large size and then also a smaller size for this repair job. And the large one we're going to keep that intact, and I've actually cut that to size already, and the large one is large enough just to slip over the top of the end of the charging cable. There we go. That's come right through. So let's just leave that dangling there, and then I'll also get another thinner length, but that won't actually fit over the top of that end. So I'm going to slit that down the middle with my scissors. So cut that down the middle like that, and be careful when you're using scissors that you don't hurt yourself or cut yourself. And I'll make that about the same length as the larger one as well. Yep, rip that off. Okay, so then with that blue one, then I'll put that one on first and wrap it around the broken part, and then and push that yellow one into place. And then all I need to do then is to get a hairdryer and blow it with some hot air for a little while to shrink this tube, and that'll shrink it tight around this cable. So obviously if I just use the yellow one only, it's too big by itself, but I'll put that smaller one in there to give me a little bit of extra something in between, so it'll all shrink in together. Okay, so because the hairdryer is quite hot and the hot air coming out will blow this cord everywhere, I've just got two of these little clip things. I'm not sure what you call those, it doesn't matter. Something that'll hold it in place and keeping your hands away so you don't burn your hands, and then the cable doesn't blow everywhere. Okay, so here we go. That's it's quite an amazing fix. Okay, so there we go. That's a simple way to fix your charging cords that have broken and frayed, or the casing's broken and frayed, using shrink tubes and a hairdryer. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.